Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to easily remove your Ford Escape radio. First, gather your tools, including a plastic trim tool, a 7mm socket, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Safety is key, so begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues. Remember to work gently to avoid damaging your vehicle's interior trim. Now let's tackle the trim panels. Using your plastic trim tool, carefully pry around the edges of the dash panel surrounding the radio. These panels are usually held by clips, so gentle but firm pressure works best. Once the panel is loose, look for any screws or clips that might be hidden underneath. Disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the trim before setting it aside. With the trim panels out of the way, you'll see the screws holding the radio in place. These are often 7mm bolts or Phillips head screws. Remove all of them, typically 4, 2 on each side. Once the screws are out, gently pull the radio unit forward from the dash. This will give you access to the back, where you'll find the wiring harnesses and the antenna cable. Carefully unplug each connector. Now that all connections are unplugged, you can carefully slide the radio completely out of the dashboard opening. Take your time to ensure no wires get snagged. When you're ready to install a new radio or reassemble, simply follow these steps in reverse. Remember to reconnect the battery terminal last. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make life easier, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.